Hello guys, uh, good day. I'm here to talk about a business that you can do online, which is international. But before you can do this, like, you have to have a skill of how to do this work. So I'm going to introduce you to a website called Skillshare. This is Skillshare here. That is Skillshare.com. So to begin with, you have to register on this site. This site it has a free version and has a paid version, but on the free version you have to work like 14 days to learn how to do some graphic work, because what I'm going to teach you here is about graphic work. So you have to do some graphic work, and from that graphic work you have to go to a site where you can be doing that work and get paid. And let's get started. All you have to do is to log on to Skillshare.com. Then when you get to Skillshare.com, you click on sign in here. When you click on sign in, it brings you to this page. Well, let me start from the beginning so that you can see Skillshare.com. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Then you click on sign in. Yeah, when you click on sign in, then it brings you here. Then you enter. Though I've already have my own account here, just let me sign in so that we can continue. Yes, now I've signed in. So this is my account. To get started, you can get started with any kind of job that you know you can get your hands on, be it so if you are looking for a job or a work to learn, you can come to this place and click on browse. From that browse, you can see all what kind of work that is available on Skillshare, be it business analytic, freelance and entrepreneurship, marketing, fine art. But in the long run, there's a job that you can do that is very simple online, like graphic design. Let's go. Like graphic design. Yes, it's already there. Then you click. Hold on, it's bringing it up. You have graphic design here where you can learn. This skills you learn is on video. So there's a lot of people here who are ready to teach you how to do graphic design, even logo design. You can get it over there. Just come there, click Adobe Shop, and all these are all related jobs under this graphic design. You have Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, digital illustration, creative and design, illustrative design, logo design, vector graphics, all are under. So after you've registered, you have like 2 weeks to test this free version of the website. After that, when you've learned from all these people who have installed their video on how you can do the graphic works, these are the people who are going to teach you on how you can do the work. So you just come there, click on anyone that you know is that it fits what you are looking for, then the video will start playing. Then you have, maybe if you can jot something down so that you can learn, or so that you won't forget. So from here you can learn from there. After you've learned all this graphic work you wanted to learn, then you can just go to a place that you can start designing and be earning some money. The first place I'm going to tell you about 2 places just for this video. The number 1 place is Fiverr. Fiverr is a place where you can start to design jobs for people. Let's Let's try what you can see. Graphic design. Yes, this is graphic design. Yes. So when you come to Fiverr, then you can just come to Fiverr, you join, you click on join, then every other things as you join, you let's click on join first so that you can see what I'm talking about. So when you submit your email with Fiverr, or you can just join with your Google or Facebook account, just when you submit your email, the email you want to use to work with Fiverr, then you click on continue, then you are going to be sent an email notification that you have to confirm so that you can begin working with Fiverr. After that, you can just fill your profile. You can fill your profile on Fiverr, then you start as a graphic designer there. So there are lots of people who are making money on this Fiverr. Some people are charging like $15, $5. The price starts from $5. So these guys have worked. See, it was a 5-star guy who have worked like 1,000 works. Look at that, 1,000 times 15. That is $15,000 he has made since he has been working. And look at this one, $50, and he has worked like 491 job. He has done like 491 jobs. And this one, another $10, 741 jobs. So, and we have another one called guru.com. Guru.com. Guru.com is also a freelance place like Fiverr. All you have to do is to sign up like that of Fiverr. Then when you click on sign up or join, then you fill your name, email, you agree, then you proceed. Then you will be sent a notification message so that you can click and your account is activated. When you have done all this, all you have to do is to come to this place, grab a job to do, then you get paid by the people you are working for. See, let me check graphic design. Let's see graphic design. Aha, this is how the page looks like. People are working per hour. This is what you are going to get. This guy has worked and is charging 1,000 naira. Imagine 1,000 naira, and he has worked like for 4 people. 1,000 times 4. And this other job is doing there, like 2D design, 3D design, Adobe Photoshop, animation, app design, like that of Skillshare, where you can learn all this kind of a thing. Let's see another job. This one is working $25 per hour, and he has worked like 7 work, and he's also doing Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, advertising, and basic. So in this place you can just go there. But in Fiverr, here in guru.com, you are allowed to do 5 jobs, but here in Fiverr you are allowed to do 2 jobs. As long as you are working with Fiverr and you are doing the job very well, then they can increase your job to 5 or 3 to 5. It depends on how you work and how people are reviewing your work. So guys, this is how you can be benefiting from working at home. And this job and all this Skillshare are for international. You can get paid through your PayPal or Payoneer account. And if you don't have PayPal or Payoneer account, you can check my recent my past video on YouTube on how you can open a Payoneer or a PayPal account, so that you yourself can start receiving your money anywhere in the world. I hope this video have helped you. So click on the subscribe button and notification bell, so that when there's another video that I'm dropping on this channel, so that you can get a grip of it and work on it and you can get something in your pocket. Hope this video helped you. Remember, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you can receive notification of any upcoming video or new video I'll be dropping. Thank you very much.